our final act of the evening by our host and organizer and founder for the Rocky Mountain Puppet Slam, Katy Williams of Katy Williams Design. Did you know she just won the prestigious True West Award for spreading her love of puppetry throughout Colorado too? Let's give her a huge hand. And the owner of Katy Williams Design. She loves all puppetry and specializes in lifelike, large-scale creatures, suitcase crankies, you can see it in the back if you haven't yet, and front-facing shadow puppetry. This next piece, Muddy Waters, was originally performed at the Spring 2019 Puppet Slam. It features music by artist LP and shadow puppetry by Katy Williams Design. This has been reworked and made to even look cooler than last year. It features 3 puppeteers, Katy Williams, Rhen Hirsh, and Leah Cardenas, and dancer Katy Weigman. And a little about the other puppeteers. Rhen Hirsh is a Denver-based puppeteer and visual artist. She is especially excited to incorporate her background in anthropology with that of artistic performance. Leah Cardenas is a theater artist who graduated from Nebraska with a BFA in acting and will be performing in an upcoming performance with the Public Works Theater. Katy Weigman is a dancer and performing artist who received her BFA from the New World School of Arts and Dance Performance in Miami, where she enjoyed a busy career as a dancer, choreographer, filmmaker, and circus performer. Quite a lineup tonight, I have to say. This also features one of Katy's favorite puppet styles, front-facing shadow puppetry. The entire piece is done using only flashlights. There are over 30 puppets in this 5-minute act. After the slam, feel free to come see how the magic happens at the Puppet Lab. Katy's shadow puppetry, props, and costume skills can be seen at Vintage Theater's production of the Scottsboro Boys, running until March 15th. I'm going Sunday. I'm excited. Enjoy this next piece. Are we good? Enjoy this next piece entitled Muddy Waters.
We are kneeling at the river's edge and tempting all the steps to follow closer right behind. Is it only when you feel the pot is empty that it's gnawing at the corners of your mind? I will ask you for mercy. I will come to you blind. What you'll see is the worst me, not the last of my kind. In the muddy water we're falling. In the muddy water we're crawling. Hold me down. Hold me now. So me up. In the muddy waters we're falling. It is not clear where we choose the fire pathway. Where we end is not the way that we had planned. All the spirits gather round like it's our last day. To get across, you know we'll have to raise the sand. I will ask you for mercy. I will come to you blind. What you see is the worst me, not the last of my kind.
To Katy Williams. Let's give her another round.
Hi guys. I don't know where to stand for the lights here. I found my light. Yay! Thank you guys so much for coming. I'm just absolutely thrilled to see what a fantastic turnout we had tonight. And yeah, thank you. It's amazing. And I wrote down a bunch of things on my note card because I can never remember because I'm doing like 14,000 things today. So yes, I just want to say thank you to a couple other people. First of all, Cindy, our amazing MC. Let's really give it up for her. Yes. Cindy is amazing. She just put so much work into this and I appreciate everything she does. I also need to do a big shout out to our stage manager, Megan, who's also my roommate, and she's amazing. Megan, woo! Thank you so much. And of course our run crew, Chad and Larry. Woo! You're back there somewhere. We have a couple photographers here, Jonathan and Heather, so thank you guys so much for taking photos. Really appreciate it. And of course, Peter and Mark, who were able to help us do this huge event here at the Denver Performing Arts Complex. So just a big thank you to them. Yes, thank you. I have been producing the Rocky Mountain Puppet Slam for 3 years, so this is the 3rd year of the Slam, which is super amazing. It started out very small, and look at us now. It's fantastic. So, I know. Keep clapping, it's fine. And I was approached by Denver Arts and Venues, and they said, you're a cool person, and you do cool stuff in Denver, and do you want to have a puppet slam here? And I was like, yeah. So that's kind of how this all happened, and it's just so fantastic. And other things I'm supposed to say. Okay, so those of you whose first puppet slam is this? Yay! That makes me so happy. Welcome. It's great, right? It's super fun. So the puppet slams are a national thing. They happen all over the country. I was in the National Puppet Slam this last year with Matt, which was super fun. And so my personal goal for the puppet slams has been to really cultivate accessibility and cultivate a place where folks can enjoy the art of puppetry. And it doesn't have the stereotypes, it doesn't have the stigmas, it's not about that, it's just about this art form. So I try to always have it somewhere that's fun and accessible, and I try to make it free or by donation, just so that everybody can enjoy this art form, because it is so dear to my heart. And as you saw tonight, it's not just this, right? There's a lot of really cool stuff that puppetry can do, especially in theater and film. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, if I'm being super honest, it's kind of a dream come true to perform at the Denver Performing Arts Complex. It's amazing, I'm so excited. I'm also losing my voice, so enjoy my raspiness. So a couple things I just want to say about the money. Again, Cindy has been doing a great job of promoting the donations, but if you would like to donate anything, after the slam, we'll have these little vase things around, or you can shove money in my face, that's also fine. And the money, like Cindy said, it goes towards future puppet slams. It goes towards all of the folks who were involved tonight, and then it does go towards the Denver Actors Fund, which is a wonderful group out here, in Colorado. So thank you. If you would like to donate, I would super appreciate it. And afterwards, we have the Puppet Lab. So what that means is a lot of our performers will bring out their work. You can take pictures, you can touch them, you can ask them how we did things. If you want to see how I hold flashlights in my mouth to do all this stuff backstage. And we have that little puppet museum in the front, so please check that out. Network, pass out cards, drink things, and have a great night. Thank you all so much.